Save plot to image file instead of displaying it using Matplotlib. This displays the figure in a GUI. But how do I instead save the figure to a file, for example foo.png?
When using matplotlib.pplot.savefig, the file format can be specified by the extension. That gives a rasterized or vectorized output respectively. In addition, there is sometimes undesirable whitespace around the image, which can be removed with Note that if showing the plot, plt.show should follow plt.savefig, otherwise, the file image will be blank.
As others have said, plt.savefig or fig1.savefig is indeed the way to save an image. However, I've found that in certain cases the figure is always shown. E.g. with Spider having plt.ion, interactive mode equals on, I work around this by forcing the figure window to close with plt.closeFigure_object. See documentation. This way I don't have a million open figures during a large loop. Example usage. You should be able to reopen the figure later if needed to with fig.show. Didn't test myself.
The solution is
Just found this link on the Matplotlib documentation addressing exactly this issue, this URL. They say that the easiest way to prevent the figure from popping up is to use a non-interactive backend, e.g. ag, via matplotlib.use, backend, e.g. I still personally prefer using plt.closefig, since then you have the option to hide certain figures during a loop, but still display figures for post-loop data processing. It is probably slower than choosing a non-interactive backend though, would be interesting if someone tested that. Update, for Spider, you usually can't set the backend in this way, because Spider usually loads Matplotlib early, preventing you from using matplotlib.use. Instead, use plt/backend ag, or turn off enable support in the Spider press, and run the matplotlib.use ag command yourself. From these two hints, 1, 2.